Welcome back, nail crew. In this video, you guys will finally get to know who won this beautiful e-file. And remember, if you don't win, I still have another giveaway open, so good luck to you. I'll also be doing an acrylic unboxing. How exciting. So if you guys are interested in that, keep watching. Now, before we get started, I have to give a hey, girl, hey. I said a hey, girl, hey to my nail sister, Raider. Ooh. Oh, I hope I said that correctly. Hey, girl, hey, all the way in Norway. I really love that I have people watching me all over. That just makes me so excited. I feel like kind of like famous a little bit, you know? All right, you guys, let's get into the package. So first of all, I love the gold. Like, that just screams like rich, fancy, posh. So I really love the gold there. That just looks so gorgeous. And then all these little stickers on there. Let's just look at them. What do y'all want to see? Let's just look at this one first. So, oh, I found my new home. I've been waiting for you. Well, thank you. That is so cute. And then she has her like logo and her business sticker right there. It says nail mail. I love that. She put the fragiles. I just love the whole thing. I just love it. I love all the socials here. I think this is so smart. So this is a small Black-owned company, right? And she reached out to me just to try some sample products. So I'm going to show you guys some of the sample sizes. I don't know if you could really purchase this size. Like, it's going to be a very small quantity. You should be able to get the products that I'm using. The quantity just might be different, okay? I just want to point that out there because, again, these are just sample sizes. And she's not paying me to make a video about her stuff or anything. She just wanted me to try it and give her my honest opinion about it. But I figured, hey, might as well film it for the nail crew too. So I hope that I love it. I hope I love it. And I hope you guys love it too. Okay, so let me show you guys her card. Oh my gosh, I just love all the little touches. So here's some tips. Here are some tips for beginners. If you guys are a beginner, these little like monomer tips, what to do to make the odor less potent in the room. I think that is really good. That's really good advice. I never even knew that. I didn't know that. So now I'm going to add that to my bag of tricks. Thank you, darling. Thank you. She also has tips on how long it'll take for the monomer and the acrylic to set. So I think that is really cool. That is really nice to add because as a new person doing nails, that you don't know. You don't know how long it's going to take. How long could you sit and play and maneuver and manipulate the acrylic? So I think that was a really good tip. And then also she wants you guys to tag her if you make a purchase. Tag her on Instagram. Tag. Help her business grow. So I do think this is a Black-owned company. So if you guys are out there trying to support locally owned small businesses or Black-owned businesses, add this one to your list, you guys. Add it to your list. Okay, so now I'm just going to open, and she said to, if the monomer is too strong, to just let it sit. But I'm gonna just open it. I'm gonna open it because I just want to see what it smells like. You guys know I do not follow all the rules, so let's just see. It smells regular, you guys. I don't know what she's talking about. It smells like regular monomer. Like, I don't know. Maybe if you guys are sensitive to it, that might be an issue. But yeah, that just smells like regular monomer. It's not strong at all. So now let's look at the acrylic. I don't even know what color this is. I have no idea. So it's going to be a surprise to you guys and me as well. I love the little logo on there. That's so cute. Okay, so the color is Purple Rain, you guys. Purple Rain. So it's going to be purple. That's all I know. I hope it's glitter. Fingers crossed for glitter. Yes, it's glitter. Yes, we get some glitter. Okay, so now I'm going to just take a very small amount of the monomer because I just want to swatch one little nail. I don't need the whole thing, okay? So just a little bit. And let's just see what happens, you guys. Let's just see. So I don't remember who it was, but one of my last swatch videos, someone asked me to swatch on swatch sticks instead of like the paper towel or whatever. So I was like, okay. So today I am swatching on a swatch stick. Okay, you're welcome. I can't remember who it was that suggested it or, you know, requested that I do it. But yes, girl, this is for you. Okay, I had to dig into my stash of swatch sticks just for you. All right, so let's get into this purple. Shall we get into this acrylic? I think we shall. So the purple is nice, okay? The purple is nice, but that glitter. Ooh, let me give you a close-up. Look at that glitter in there. She got the chunky bits. She got the fine bits. I love a good chunky and fine combination of glitter. I really, really love that look. Oh, look at that. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love that the purple, like you could distinctively tell it's purple, but it's not like an overpowering purple. It's like almost like a lilac, you know? And I really love that because you could see the glitter. Like the glitter could just stand out. Yes, y'all. Yes, if you're trying to, you know, support a small business, a local business, a black business, hello. Here you are. The acrylic worked just fine. I didn't have any issues with it. The monomer did not smell strong at all. It literally smelled like any other regular monomer that I've tried. And even still, you guys, even though it does not have a strong odor, she still put in tips on how to decrease the odor. I think that was very smart and resourceful and helpful. And yeah, so shout out to you. Information to her website and her Instagram and like all that good stuff will be in the description box. If you guys are interested, click the link, head on over to her and say, hey girl, hey girl, hey. Or support by making a purchase. How about that? All right, you guys, so let's get into the giveaway. And please remember, if you do not win, I do have an e-file still open for giveaway. And you guys, I have 2 more e-files that just came in. I have literally 2 more e-files that just came in. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe because I got plenty more things to give away. All right, so the best way to do a giveaway, in my opinion, is to have like the computer randomly pick somebody. Like I feel like the best and the fairest way to do it. However, this is my giveaway and I'm going to do what I want to do. So this time, instead of having the computer picked, I picked somebody. Like I looked at you, girl, and you won right away. And I'm going to just share this little story time real quick. So let me tell you guys a story, right? So the other day, Muff found a crystal shop, right? I'm going to put like a card up here because we got a card from the place. But anyway, so she found a local like crystal shop and she wanted to go into like just look at some crystals, balance our chakras, you know, like just get in tune with ourselves. So yeah, so perfect. So we're in the store and obviously we're talking to the guy about manifestation and just like being more balanced and being more centered and, you know, stuff like that. It was a really good experience. Like we loved it. And so now this woman, so now I'm scrolling ready to like look and see like, you know, did I give everybody enough time to enter? Should I go ahead and close the giveaway? And her name was Starseed. And I was like, Starseed? Like, that's so crazy. And so I read the message. So when I saw that she had put something about manifestation in the message as well, girl, I just felt like it was a sign. I felt like, girl, she has to win. So I had like perfect intentions of using the Random Picker app, you know, like I used to do back with my old giveaways. So I had full intention of using that app, but yo, it was just the perfect timing, the name, the message, it all kind of lined up. So honey, you are the winner. You are the winner. For everybody who did not win, you guys, don't all go change your name to Starseed and start writing manifestations in your comments. Don't do that. My next giveaway, I am going to let the computer pull. That's going to be totally random. But yeah, this one just really stuck out to me, girl. And you won. So hit me up on Instagram. Give me your information so that I can send it out to you. Everybody else, good luck on my next giveaway. I love you guys so much. Bye.